Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about double integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer. So for this one we have dy. So we have e to the power of 2x plus 3y. We can put e to the power of 2x, e to the power of 3y. So in this one, I will put in here. And then we have the integration from number 1 to number 4. And we have 3x e to the power of 2x dx. So the integration of this one, that is about e to the power of 3y over number 3. And we put the bounds from number 2 to number 3. This one we can use about integration by parts. So if we use this way, we will have like this. So we got this one. Now we put number 3 and number 2 going here. So number 3 with number 3, we have number 9. Number 2 with number 3, we have number 6. So we put number 4 going here. So we have like this. Now we put number 1 going here. So that should be like this. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.